Managing your finances smartly is key to achieving financial freedom. Here are some expert financial tips to help you save more, invest wisely, and grow your wealth. 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings or investment account. Emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses for emergencies. Cut unnecessary expenses. Avoid impulse purchases and track your spending. Use cashbacks and discounts. Take advantage of reward programs and cashback offers. Start investing early. The sooner you invest, the more you benefit from compound interest. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across stocks, bonds, and real estate. Invest in index funds and ETFs, low-cost funds that provide stable returns over time. Dividend stocks. Invest in companies that offer regular dividends for passive income. Stay updated with market trends. Research before making investment decisions. Pay credit card bills on time. Avoid late fees and maintain a good credit score. Use credit cards wisely. Spend within limits and pay in full to avoid high interest. Improve your credit score. Keep credit utilization below 30% and check your credit report. Avoid high-interest loans. Compare loan options and opt for lower interest rates. Prepay loans when possible. Reduce interest burden by making extra payments. Have multiple income streams. Build passive income through investments or side hustles. Get proper insurance. Secure your health, life, and assets with the right policies. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Increase savings and investments as income grows. Plan for retirement early. Use retirement plans like 401k, Roth IRA, or pension funds. Stay financially educated. Read finance books, follow financial experts, and stay informed. Final tip: financial freedom isn't about how much you earn, but how well you manage what you have. Start today, make small changes, and build a secure future. Follow Finance Fixer for more expert financial tips.